Hi everyone. I want to do a workshop, and the reason I want to do a workshop is to take up a subject that a bunch of you brought up recently as something you want to know about. And it has basically, the subject is regarding how do you obtain business. And the reason I want to do this in a workshop environment is so we can go a little bit more into specifics of what you want to know. I have done on my YouTube channel, several videos about that, but it doesn't seem to answer everybody's questions. So I want to do a workshop. Plus, I want to give you a bit of an overview in the workshop of what it takes, what does it entail to become a pilot car driver. When I'm going to do this is, I haven't fixed the exact date for it. It will be in the next weeks. I have spent so far quite some time to get this established. I've worked today 4 hours on this. I worked last week on the weekend at least 3 or 4 hours, and I'm not quite sure when I have my shit together in order to basically be able to present that. But I think I'm going to be ready in a couple of weeks. So what I want to do is, one of the reasons I'm doing this video now is to let you know that this workshop is going to happen, and I will do this workshop on Zoom. Now, it's written Z, like in zebra, O-O-M. Now, why am I doing this on Zoom and not on YouTube? Reason is because on Zoom, it's very easy for you to participate in the video. This is really something that you can't really do on YouTube. YouTube is, you throw up videos, you do a live video or you prepare a video, and it's fairly complicated to get more people into this video. I mean, it is frankly totally over my head how you do this live setup where you have 6 people part of it or something like this. And with Zoom, I mean, 50 people could show up and we could do a Zoom, and it would be no different than having one person show up and we do it in a Zoom. So I really don't care how many people show up. I just want to do this and basically take one subject of the pilot car driving and get a little bit deeper into it, of what it is all about, and then I'm also going to give you I'm going to give you a proper overview of what it really entails to become a pilot car driver. All right, now, in order to do this, in order for you to get into this workshop, I am going to need your email address. So my email address is info@highroadtruckers.com. You send me your email address. You can make a sentence like, I'm interested in the workshop. That's all I need from you for right now. What I do with your email address, I'm going to put it on a list, Excel spreadsheet, and when I have my final date and time for the workshop, I'm going to send you an email, which then will have a link in it that will take you to a sign-up page, and there you sign up for the workshop. And this is no charge. I'm not asking for any money, okay? You sign up for the workshop, and then I'm going to send you an exact email with the exact date and time when the workshop is going to take place. That email you will get when I have the final date. For right now, all I need from you is your email address so I can put this on an Excel spreadsheet. Once I know the date, I will send you an email so you sign up And that then sets you up for getting this link at the date when the workshop takes place. All right. Thank you for listening, and I hope I get a lot of emails, and I see you in the next video.